Hi guys, today I'm unboxing this electric spin scrubber brush. I did receive this in exchange for my honest opinion, but I've been wanting one of these for a while, so I'm excited to get it open and put it together. So as you see here, when we first open it up, we do have an instruction manual and a quick start guide, so that's very nice. As I'm opening it here, you can see we've got all the toppers right here on top of everything. So let me go ahead and get these pulled out. These are all the different heads you can do depending on what kind of cleaning job you're going to do. And then as you saw there, I also do have a cord so that I can charge this up. Here in the bottom of the box, looks like these are the two pieces to put the scrubber brush together. So I'm going to get this out. Okay, so let me go ahead and remove the plastic from this one right here, and then we will put this together. So looks like it just snaps together just like that. And there we go. The next step would be to attach a head that we want to use. I'll just go ahead and pick this one up for example and just push it on just like this. Oh, let me see how it lines up here. Okay, there we go. It just clicks into place just like that. Very easy to do. Once you get it charged, it's ready to be used. I'm very excited to start using this. If you're looking for a good electric spin scrubber brush to help with cleaning, then definitely check this one out.